Hello guys, Igor here again to review Melon. Create stunning live streams with easy stream for free to Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, Twitter, and other platforms in 5 clicks. Invite guests, screen share, customize with themes, and more. Melon is a Restream and Streamyard alternative, and I'm gonna say that I think Melon is better than your competitors. Their user interface is pretty clean. They are standing out right now. And as you can see here, as a G2 review, users love us. And it's what I think. Melon is about being loved. And that is the streaming platform that I use. And I'm going to show you why I like Melon. You can see here their landing page and also their pricing structure. Free, standard, and pro. 15 per month on standard and 49 per month on pro. And in this week, if you click on my link, I reveal a secret to get Melon for the best price, but needs to be this week only. Click on the link and you're gonna see my secret. So I'm gonna show you my studio. Here's the Melon main part, and I'm gonna show you all the features pretty fast and it's pretty simple. Let's start in here, checking out our main features. You can select your audio clicking here, and then you can select your audio inputs and also your audio output. So your speaker and your microphone. Here you can select an echo cancellation. Usually you should just turn it on. Stereo audio, let it off. Okay. Only use it if you are using a stereo audio input. Okay. And then you must turn off the echo cancellation. Auto adjust mic volume. Okay. Toggle this on and you have like everything automatized. And then you click here to mute and or unmute. Okay. To start a video, then you click here and your video is on. Click here and your video is off. As you can see here on the left is where you can invite guests, clicking here, and then you receive a link. You copy that link and you send that link by email or just share them with your audience. Also, as you can see here, everything will show up on the left. And to add it on the stream, on the streaming, you just click here and you're gonna add your video. I turn it off. You can see my avatar here, and then you just turn it. You can turn it on here, and then turn it off, clicking on video again. So everything will be on the left. Okay, and you can hide on the streaming, clicking here again. Show on stream, hiding on stream. Okay, you can even let it on spotlight or only on screen. Here you can adjust the volume as well. To share your screen to others, you can adjust here on the middle and opt to share it in 1080p or not. Usually just turn it on. Also add screen video to stream. Yes, this is really important. So usually you would like to turn it on. Why? Because when you have a video here and when you upload your screen, this is or your video or your audio, will automatically be added on your screen, and you will not need to click here to hide on screen or show on screen. They will automatically add on your screen your screen or a video or a background audio without the need to click on the button here on the left. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the options. You have screen, video, or background audio. To share screen, you click here, and then you can just select one of the options. So I'm going to select here my WordPress, and I'm going to show you that it is automatically added on the screen. I didn't need to click here to hide or to show on the screen. Okay. So, and then if you want to hide it, you just click here. You can also add share a video. When you share a video, you need to share a video that is on your computer, on your notebook. So you're gonna add your video and you are gonna stream it directly from your computer. So it's also using some of your notebook resource. Also, you can share a background audio. This feature is really cool. I'm gonna show you how it works. I'm gonna see if I can find an audio here. So as you can see here, let's mute myself. As you can see here, I have an audio on the left. Just click to play the audio. And you have a background audio for your streaming. How awesome is that? Pretty good. And let's say you have your screen sharing and also yourself. Clicking here, you can change the position of your streaming. So you have many options, as you can see here, for up to 6 participants to have different kinds of streaming positions. Okay, so let's hide here now. Another option that you have, you can record your streaming, and also you can record offline. You can use Melon to be your platform to record, for instance, your course. You just are in the dashboard, you can create everything, plan yourself, and then you click on record, and Melon will record your video, and then you can use it to share to your audience or to add on your LMS, on your e-learning platform. Clicking here, you're gonna go live. So those are the basic features, but let's see what Melon can do as well. As you can see here, you can have many profiles under only one platform. So you only need to create a new profile. And then when you want to change your branding, or when you want to just create something different for your streaming, you can just change the profile. You don't need to create everything again. You can have many profiles with different settings. All right. So let's start on design. So here is where you're going to select your themes. They have many themes. It's awesome on their Pro. An RPG theme, Sakura theme, Shinobi. As you can see here, many themes. That one's pretty cool. That one as well. So you have many ways to create a unique streaming for you. Just check that Lofty Night, really pretty as well. So you select your design and you can have many themes on different profiles as well. Okay. And here is where you can add your logo. Just added my logo on screen here again. And adding your logo, you can move it around and also resize it. Okay. So here is your logo. As an advice, you can add your logo as a QR code. So then you can receive monetization. People could donate to you using your QR code instead of adding your logo. So it's an idea for you. And then here you can edit your theme. So I'm going to show the text. Then you can see how it will be different. And here my text, and then you can just go here and change the way it shows up. Just click casual, boxy, and it's different. You can change the color, the fonts, and the backgrounds. Okay, you can change your background. And you can change your overlay as well. You can see my overlay here. I'm going to change it to another one, another overlay, another one that I have here. So I have many different kind of overlays. And you can just add everything here. Okay, and in different profiles for your different brands. And it's so convenient. That's why I like it so much. It's so convenient. Okay, to start a stream or having different setups for your different brands. That's why I think, and look how the user interface is beautiful. The user interface is beautiful. Okay, and here is where you're gonna set up your text or ticker. Ticker is it's here, as you can see here. I'm gonna hide it or show it. And you can see it will show up with your overlay. You don't need to take off your overlay to show your stick and your text. Okay, because it will show up without the need to take out it. It's like it just will be on the front. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you the video settings. This one is awesome because you just can upload videos here. The maximum is 300 megabytes, but you can just upload it here. Different kind of videos, intros, outros, and then you can add on your branding, and you can have as many videos as you want. How awesome is that? I'm gonna show you. You just click here, and if you just add it here to show automatically the video, also add screen video to stream. Okay, you just click here and it's gonna play. It's pretty simple. I'm gonna show you. Clicking here and it's play, and it's play, and it's done. Just play it. Okay, so pretty simple. And you can add also green screen, and you upload their background here. Just turn it on, and I'm gonna have a green screen, and also you can have a blue screen and use it. It will support as well. And here you can select the intensity of your green screen fades. Okay, it's pretty as how I can say, it's precise. So you can use Melon to go live with the green screen format. It is just precise. So it's not a bad green screen feature. It's a good green screen feature as well. Now you're gonna go back, and here you have your settings. So you can set up your avatar, if you're gonna full HD or not, if you're gonna record your lives or not. Remember that when you go live, before on settings, click here, turn it on so it will record your streaming. Also, you can record directly on your computer. I do not recommend it because it just lets Melon does it for you, and then you just download it. But you have that option. Here you can select if you're going to show your names on screen or not, your audio status. So basic configurations about what's going to show up on your streaming. And here you can, for instance, reverse direction of ticker. As you can see here, I'm going to reverse now, reverse direction, or show your ticker on top. You can do it as well. Okay, so many options. And also they have some integration here with Streamlabs, Cloudbot, and Twitter. So you can just tweet a message every time you will go live. And remember, you can have different brands with different setups. You just need to create others profiles here. All right, here your chat. It works pretty cool. Usually on my other channel, I have 300 people online when I stream, and you will be able to, you can see everything. And also the super chat. The super chat will show up with a color, so it's easy to see when you have a super chat, and then you can interact with your audience. And clicking here, you can private write message hi with your participants, and only them are gonna see your message. And here on stream, you can also use that chat to stream, to interact with your audience. You can just use the stream chat and it will post directly on Facebook. And here is where you can schedule. You can schedule your broadcast. Okay. So you have unlimited, as you can see here, unlimited Facebook, Twitters, YouTube. You can add how many channels you want. And then you can select them and go live. I'm gonna, for instance, select Tech Trends on here. And then here you can pre-record a video and share on YouTube or Twitter or Facebook, etc. Or you can go live stream. Okay? So let's, for instance, say I want to go live stream. And then here you're going to select time, your title, your description, your category. You can do it directly on YouTube and also upload your thumbnail. And remember, when you schedule your live, go to your Facebook account and manually turn on your monetization. Otherwise, your live will not be monetized. Remember, when you schedule your stream, you need to go before you go live on YouTube and edit your live stream to select your monetization. You need to turn your monetization on. Otherwise, you're not going to be monetized. Okay, that's Melon. Pretty easy to use, pretty interesting. I totally recommend it. And if you click on my link below this week, you're going to see an amazing, amazing and unique opportunity to get Melon for the best price of your life. I promise. This needs to be this week. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.